Now, taking a look at some news from the Piedmont Triad area of North Carolina, the woman accused of shooting into a Spectrum call center in Greensboro has been found guilty and sentenced. No one was hurt that day, but according to WXII News 12, 36-year-old Jazzlyn Ingram was charged with discharging a weapon into occupied property, 2 counts of second-degree kidnapping, 2 counts of assault with a deadly weapon, discharging a firearm within city limits, injury to real property, and possession of marijuana paraphernalia. Now, that same day, her husband, 33-year-old Richard Ingram, was charged with carrying a concealed weapon and resist and delay or obstruct a law enforcement official. On Monday, January the 29th, Jazzlyn Ingram entered a guilty plea in Greensboro. It was revealed that on June the 7th of 2023, Jazzlyn Ingram was going through a mental health crisis after resigning from Spectrum earlier that day. After resigning, Jazzlyn remained in the parking lot and tried calling her therapist, but wasn't able to do so, so she called her family. That's when her husband, Richard Ingram, showed up at the building with their 2 daughters. Jazzlyn's lawyer said that she had no intention to harm anyone but herself that day, and since the incident, she's gotten mental health help and is doing better. In court on Monday, her lawyer read an apology letter, which included the statement that she never intended to harm anyone but herself. Ingram also read a thank you note to the Greensboro Police Department and detention officers for how they helped and treated her. The judge decided to give her a split sentence. Jazzlyn Ingram will serve 30 months on probation and 120 days in jail, while also taking into account the time she served from June the 7th through September the 12th. Ingram's husband, Richard, will appear in court, and that will be in the month of March. More details about this case, including what happened in the courtroom, can be found at WXII12.com.